Bonjour, Kinamagian and Airline Indigenous, and welcome to today's technology lesson. Today's lesson from 21 Things for Students, Basics Gold Quest, Techie Equipment. Enter from the Google Classroom. It'll bring you to this site. This week, again, we do not have one of the checklists. Don't believe that's a thing on the Gold Quest. So in essence, you're going to be working independently. If we have time in class, we will also attempt to begin it there where you could finish it at home. And quite often I'll start with this intro video. It's not a requirement in most cases, but what is a requirement is the introduction. With technology changing almost by the minute, it's really hard to keep up to date. While some of your parents and guardians may remember using a slide rule in their math courses, not many will have used an abacus. What have these been replaced with today? Go through the steps below to find out. So today we're kind of going and taking a trip down memory lane, or in your case, things you might find in a museum. The I can statement, I can utilize input and output devices. And I'm going to show you some of the places these will take you, although you will work independently to do this on your own. There's a history site and I clicked it. It's there. Woo. And it has kind of a timeline of technology going back 5,000 years. And at one point, writing was a kind of a new technology. Eventually, we enter into books, numbering systems, the mechanical age. Once we get into the 1450s, we have this crazy invention called the printing press, where we could actually print books. The weird part, unlike your copier, you had to set the type for each page. So it was not a quick process, but still an improvement on the previous way, which was to hand copy every single book. As we move through time, you'll start seeing things that more and more resemble modern equipment-ish. Believe it or not, some of these things were breaking news, greatest technology in the land at one time. It's just part of the natural process of equipment. That phone that you may or may not have, and when I was your age would have been like kind of a crazy thought. We had the ideas that phones would be cordless at least and not attached to the wall. Yeah, that was a thing. The cord could move around. So you'd buy a cord that like 40 feet long. And then we got the idea of, we can do video FaceTime over phones. And then everyone laughed and thought that was crazy. And guess what you guys all do? FaceTime. It's a cool part about technology. As we kind of thumb through, here's what telephones looked like through time. Going into the 1900s, I'm going to let that play for you. We're now, the 1937 version is something that I had as a toy and as a kid. Started mentioning IBM, first computer reading machines. You can see these computers start to resemble the size of our classroom. Literally. And of course, you are welcome to spend more time looking at this on your own. The link is here. There is a gathering document that I'm going to click. You did receive this with your recent packets. You could save it or print it. And like I said, I printed it for you. And I would like you to use this when we get into the task. You're going to use those questions to talk to an older relative, family, or friend. Ask them about their earliest experience with technology as a child, at home, and in school. I recommend not picking someone that's 3 years older than you. It's pretty similar. Talk to a grandparent. Talk to a great grandparent. When you're done, one of the things you can do is enter it into a survey tool. This is from SurveyMonkey. And this is where you could place some of your answers. I won't get these results from there, to be completely honest with you. One of the things that I think would be really cool is if you could bring me your document, or you could record your interview with that family member and then upload it to YouTube or something like that and share the video with me, or even just text me the video. That would be kind of neat from my end. Although all of those videos will not be placed on any website there. Private correspondence, if it's something that you would like posted as an attachment to one of these, just kind of for show, okay, but there's no requirement for that. That's the survey there. I would like you to try the challenge quiz. And it is a Quizlet down here, and I'm opening it. You have 21 Things has a Quizlet. It seems like everything. Oh, it's a laptop. Well, portable and suitable for while traveling. So it's just something you can kind of go through. So once you're done, I will consider a sharing of your interview document as proof that you completed the assignment. I hope you have fun with these interviews. These are the kind of things that are good family bonding or bonding with friends, and also kind of learning in history and technology altogether. If you have any questions, please reach out to me at mireland@psychchipschool.net, or I will see you in class. Have a minute, Gejagad. Minwa Bamapi.